Today we're going to look at multi-currency budgets by account. I've got an organization that trades normally in Australian dollars, but I earn my training revenue in US dollars. And because the exchange rate fluctuates a lot, I want to do my budgeting in US dollars. We don't have a built-in method by row to do that, but you can easily create a manual organization, consolidate it with the main one, and achieve the same objective. So we go to Settings, Billing and Admin, Manage Organizations, add an organization, put it in the same workspace, say I'm using a different accounting system, and create my own. That gets you here back in the settings, set the currency to US dollars, same end of year as your main organization. Then in the chart of accounts, add your training revenue account. You can overwrite the existing one of the existing accounts if you want, and then you need an account tree to group them together. Now I've got one in my original account called Board Report, where I've got in my income section, I add a new header for training revenue, make that summary only, then I copy the account tree to my new organization. That comes across with that same header structure, and I just find my new account, drag that across there, save changes, go to my budget for the US dollar company, and I can now put in my 10,000 US dollars a month budget. Next step, under Report Tools, Organization Groups, I create a new organization group, add in my two trading companies. It picks up the budgets by default. Over here, I set my board report so I can combine those two accounts. Set the reporting currency here, save my changes, and then any reports I'm using, I just use the Trading Inc. group, and you'll see I've got my sale of goods showing there in $100,000 Australian, but the 10,000 US dollar budget has been converted to 13,000 Australian. Easy. Thank you very much.